Hello, in this video I'm going to show the features of BotFightSim version 1.1, and almost everything in this game I show how to do in my videos, and this game's free to download and there's a link in the description. I made some changes to the main menu. This will continue the current level. This will restart the current level. This will take you to the lobby. Before you can press continue, restart, or lobby, you have to agree to the end user license agreement. This will quit the game. This is the statistics menu, options for the game, settings, license, credits, about. The launch button will launch this website, and the website button will launch the same website. I made some changes to the lobby level. These buildings were added from the starter content. These doors lead to the other levels. I call these arenas because they're standalone levels. And this is the exit to the game. These are weapons that you can use to practice with. I'll show the Arena 3 level. I removed the feature that made it so you couldn't jump as high if you had a weapon in your hand. So now you can jump the same height with or without a weapon in your hand. The reason I took that feature out because I thought it would make it too hard if you had to jump obstacles and shoot at the same time. I modified how the character orientation works. Now there's a auto orientation mode and a manual orientation mode. The manual orientation mode, you press the O key, so I'll show that. So if you press the O key, now it's in manual mode. Now if you press the O key again, it goes back to normal mode. The other mode is the automatic mode, and anytime you press the fire key, it goes into the other orientation. So I press the fire key, now it's in the other orientation, and it switches back in a couple seconds. I'll show that again. So you press the fire key, it goes into the other orientation, and then it switches back. I added the weapon impact particle effect. When you shoot the ground, there'll be a dust up effect. And when you shoot the bot, it'll spark